looking at total life. There were plants and birds and rocks and things. There was sand and hills and rings. The first thing I met was a fly with a bus and a sky with no clouds. The heat was hot and the ground was dry, but the air is full of sound. I've been through the desert on a horse with no name. It felt good to be out of the rain. In the desert you can't remember your name, because there ain't no one food to give you no pain. La 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 la. Okay guys, I'm Vasco and today I'll show you how I'm playing a horse with no name on the ukulele. We'll do it in the original key. This is a perfect song for practicing your bar chord, so even if you have never done a bar chord, we'll try to change that in this tutorial. High G string ukulele, let's go. Okay, so let's first see how to grab the chords. First we have E minor, and what is important here is to grab the thumb on the back like this. Do not put it like this or down, I don't know. Just right behind the shape, okay? Because this will allow us to grab easily the next chord, which is D6, just barring on the second fret. And you see where my thumb is? It's like this, right behind it. I'm applying pressure here on both sides to make a clear sound. If you hear something like this, just make sure you're pressing this string that is not ringing out good. Okay. And the third chord we need is E7 suspended 2, but basically it's just while you're grabbing the D6, you just put the ring finger on the 4th fret. Okay. And what you can try to do in the beginning is just go between these 3 chords. Make sure all the strings are ringing good. Okay. Okay, now let's try to build the strumming pattern, because it's very recognizable, and especially in songs with just a few chords as this one, sometimes it's important to do the strumming pattern really good. So let me show you what I'm doing very slowly. On E minor, I'm doing down, down, up, and one more time, down, down, up. Then I grab the D6 chord, and I just, sometimes I'm doing muted down strum, but sometimes I'm just moving my hand down without touching the strings, and then I do on the off beat, up, up, and then grabbing the E7 suspended 2, where I do up, down, up. So slowly together. And one little detail here is that on D6, I'm doing 2 up strums, but the first one is more focused on the A string and not really that much on the G string here. And the second one is the opposite. I'm trying to avoid the A string and sound better the G string. So you can hear this, but basically I'm holding the same chord. So I've been to the desert on a horse with no name. It felt good to be out in the rain. In the desert, you can't remember your name, because there ain't no one for to give you no pain. A little bit more tempo. La 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 la. Okay, so this song has just 3 chords, but still it's a little bit challenging because the strumming pattern is not very ordinary, and also the chords are not that ordinary as well. So if it is giving you a hard time at the beginning, just try to do 1 down strum and try to keep up with the tempo of the song. La 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 la. And then little by little you can introduce the other elements. Well, I guess this sums it up. My advice would be to learn the chords here, the strumming pattern a little bit, and then go and practice with the original recording of the song, because that way you can really put it in your head and memorize it the way that it is supposed to be played. And have fun with it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.